Hey guys, Dr. Dave here. We're talking through a mobilization for internal rotation of the shoulder. So this is one that commonly gets ignored, this internal rotation, this extension of the shoulder. Think if you were reaching up behind your back, and that's even a simple test you can do is how high you can get your hand up the back without the shoulder coming forward. So what we see, and we see this be a big cause of shoulder pain for a lot of people, because when you're doing something, say like a bench press or a push-up or a dip or anything in this position, if you're missing the ability for that shoulder to extend and rotate in without the shoulder coming forward, then there's going to be a lot of anterior front side of the shoulder pain that can develop from that. So we see a lot of people with overhead pressing, with bench press, push-ups, pain in the dip. That happens because they're missing either mobility or control to come back in this position without seeing this whole shoulder round forward. Now it's not always a mobility issue, but when it is, that's a great place to start to open up, and then we want to follow it up with some strength or some stability work. But what we're going to do for that here today is we're going to take our mobility band, we're going to throw it around right on the front side of the shoulder here, so right along that shoulder joint, not too low on the arm, not way up here. So think kind of right on the front side of that shoulder joint there. So that's going to help anchor the shoulder. We're going to bring that hand behind the back, and then we're going to walk the shoulder out a little bit. So the band's acting to pull the shoulder back in the joint, and with the hand here, we're getting that internal rotation motion. So you want to think about letting that band pull the shoulder back. You can walk that hand a little higher, and then you're just thinking about hanging out in this stretch. So the key here is to make sure that that band's actually letting the shoulder joint pull back so that you're not reinforcing this forward shoulder position. So you can hang out there for 30 seconds, for a minute, but work on both sides there and see if you can improve as you retest. See if that motion's better reaching behind the back without seeing that whole shoulder round forward. So go ahead and give this one a try. Let us know if you guys have any questions, and we'll talk to you soon.